Good day, I am Ankerthal Nakorda and I will be discussing the implications of current IT issues in college students' daily lives. The rise of online learning has revolutionized higher education, offering flexibility and accessibility. However, it also presents several challenges for college students, such as unequal access to reliable internet and technology remains a significant barrier. Students from low income backgrounds or rural areas may lack the necessary resources to participate fully in online classes, leading to academic disadvantage. In addition, it also leads to distraction and procrastination since the home environment, often filled with distractions, can make it challenging for students to focus their studies. The lack of structured learning environment can lead to procrastination and decreased productivity. Health concerns. Increased reliance on IT has raised significant health concerns for college students like eye strain and headaches. Prolonged screen time can lead to eye strain, headaches, and other vision problems. Students often spend hours staring at computer screens for classes, assignments, and social media, increasing the risk of these issues. In addition, excessive social media use and cyberbullying can contribute to anxiety, depression, and other mental health problems. The constant pressure to stay connected and present online can be overwhelming, leading to feelings of inadequacy and isolation. Lastly, the blue light emitted from electronic devices interferes with melatonin production, disrupting sleep patterns. Many students stay up late using their devices, leading to sleep deprivation, which negatively impacts academic performance, moods, and overall health. In conclusion, addressing these issues requires a multifaceted approach, including improving access to technology and internet connectivity, promoting healthy technology habits, and providing adequate support for students' mental and physical well being. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. Today, I want to share with you some of the most pressing issues in information technology and their direct impact on our daily lives as a college student. So let's start with data privacy and security. With the rise of social medias, online bankings, and cloud storage, we share more personal information online than ever before. However, cyber attacks and data breaches are increasingly common issues and problems we are facing today. As a student, this this affects us when our institutional emails or personal emails or other social platforms are hacked. Imagine losing your project files or using your information to scam others.
I am Princess May Maneha. I'm here for the awareness presentation of the Internet access and digital tools. So, awareness presentation about Internet access. So, the goal is to create an awareness video discussing current issues of information technology and their implication on daily life. So, the Internet has become an indispensable tool in modern life, impacting communication, education, healthcare, and commerce. However, unequal access to the Internet creates a significant digital divide with far reaching consequences. This presentation will explore the current issues surrounding Internet access, focusing on its implications for college students. So, this is my implications for college students. First, academic performance. Limited or unreliable internet access can severely hinder academic performance. Students may miss online classes, struggle to complete assignments, and have difficulty accessing necessarily research materials. This can lead to lower grades, increased stress, and potential academic setbacks. So, two is social isolation. The internet plays a crucial role in social interaction and community building. Limited access can lead to social isolation and feelings of exclusion, particularly for students who rely on online platforms. Addressing the issues of internet access requires a multi pronged approach. This includes government initiatives to expand internet infrastructure, affordable internet plans, digital literacy programs, and increase cybersecurity awareness. College and university also have a critical role to play in ensuring that all students have equal access to reliable and affordable internet. By bridging the digital divide, we can empower students to succeed academically, professionally, and socially. So my second topic is about awareness presentation on current issue in digital tools. Awareness presentation on current issues in digital tools. So the goal is to create an awareness video and discuss the current issues of information technology and its implication to our daily lives. So digital tools have revolutionized how we live, work, and learn. However, their rapid evolution presents new challenges and ethical consideration. This presentation will examine current issues surrounding digital tools and their implications, particularly for college students. Implications for college students. Academic integrity. The use of digital tools in academic settings raises concerns about plagiarism and academic dishonesty. Students need to understand the ethical implications of using digital tools for academic work and maintain academic integrity. Second is social interaction. Digital tools have transformed social interactions. Students need to develop healthy online habits and be aware of the potential negative impacts of excessive screen time and online interactions. In summary, the implications highlight the need for colleges to integrate digital literacy, ethical consideration, and critical thinking skills into the curriculum to prepare students for the complexities of the digital age and ensure equitable access to opportunities. Addressing the challenges presented by digital tools required a multifaceted approach. This includes promoting digital literacy, developing critical thinking skills, fostering ethical awareness, and addressing the digital divide. So, for the college students and universities, have a crucial role to play educating students about the responsible use of digital tools and preparing them for the challenges and the opportunities of the digital age.
Good day, sir. I am Rasa Eileen Ipiloton, and in this video, we will be tackling about the awareness of current issues of information technology and its implication in our daily lives. Technology has become a vital part of our lives, leading considerable benefits to us such as communication, education, and entertainment. Yet, too much use of technology can lead to addiction. And I know that we are all aware that this type of addiction can have negative effect for us individuals, especially in our physical health, mental health, and social well-being. The highlighted impact of technology addiction in our daily lives is screen time. Too much time facing technology may affect our physical health, such as our eyes, head, and body parts. A constant stimulation and comparison in social media platforms can negatively impact our mental health, especially our self esteem and overall psychological well being that may give us anxiety, depression, and mood disorders. And furthermore, too much use of technology may affect our social well being that may lead to social isolation and strained relationship, resulting a communication breakdown and feeling of disconnection from loved ones. So to resolve this problem, I recommend that each of us must have limitation of time in technology and let's engage more ourselves and our time in offline activities such as reading books. Parental support of information technology. So, as a student, I'm constantly surrounded by technology, and it's clear that its impact on our daily lives is undeniable. This includes the way we learn, communicate, and even interact with our families. It's crucial for parents to observe and help their children understand that they need parental support nowadays. Parents face a lot of challenges when it comes to supporting their children in using technology. So, one of the most concerns is screen time, just like what I've said lately. While technology offers educational benefits and entertainment options, facing too much screen time can have negative effects on children's physical and mental well being. And this where the parents involved, they will be given a task to help their children balance between allowing them or not from using technology to minimize their children's potential harm. In addition, to avoid concerns like cyberbullying, parents should keep an eye to their children for their safety in social media. If the parents doesn't pay attention in this matter, their children might be in this situation of addiction. So to resolve this problem, parents must support their children and give attention to this matter to avoid negative impact for them. Parents must help them by creating a family time or bonding and must be in their children's side to guide and give instructions.
Hi everyone, my name is Faustin Marie Barsovia Piloton, and today I will discuss the current issues in information technology and their implications on college students. Computer issues. Slow computers, outdated hardware, or lack of in maintenance lead to slow performance, affecting productivity during deadlines. This can cause frustrations and inefficiency in completing tasks such as research or projects. Virus threats. Without proper antivirus software, students risk losing important data, compromising their privacy, or exposing sensitive information to hackers. Poor working conditions. Limited access to ergonomic setups or quiet study environments can lead to discomfort and reduced focus, impacting academic performance and physical health. Workload challenges. College students often juggle academics, curricular activities, and sometimes part time jobs. Combined with household responsibilities, this creates stress, time management issues, and burnout. Heavy reliance on IT tools for assignment and communication can exacerbate stress when technology fails or underperformance. These challenges emphasize the need for better resources, training, and support to help students navigate the demands of modern educations and technology use.
I am Flarbel Dipital-Cren, and I am sharing the current issues of information technology, the social media, the overview of the issue. So social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and Twitter have been integral to the lives of the college student, offering opportunities for communication, entertainment, and community engagement. But however, this convenience often leads to excessive time spent on the platform, diverting students' attention to get away from academic responsibilities. So the application of social media on college students' daily lives. Social media has been significantly implication for college students' daily life. These affect their academic, health, and social interaction. It often distracts students from their schoolwork as they prioritize browsing, posting, and checking notification over studying, leading to reduced focus their lecture and lower academic performance. Excessive use of social media can negatively impact mental and physical health. This contribute to anxiety, depression, and feeling of an inadequacy due to peer comparison. Socially, it poses time management challenges, reducing time for productive activities like studying, exercising, or spending quality moments with the family or friends, making it difficult for students to balance their academic and personal responsibilities. The recommendation to address the issue is to impact of college students. The several strategies can be implemented. So the first one is time management. Tools and apps can be help students track their limit their social media usage. This promote a healthier balance. The digital detox program encourage regular break to focus on academic and mental well-being. Awareness campaigns such as workshop and seminar can educate students on the negative effect of the excessive use of social media. Promoting purposeful use of social media such as um, academic collaboration, networking, or accessing educational resources can help shift its role from a distraction to a beneficial tool.